Welcome to Spring LIB.
So I see that you need help with this question, and it wants you to calculate the standard deviation for each of these tables. So we have weeks, which is 1, 2, and 3, and that's my x. And then we have the probability, which is 0 0.3, 0 0.5, and 0 0.2. And the cost per week for developing the product specification is $8,000, while the cost per week for developing the manufacturing process is $3,000. Assume the activity times are independent. Calculate the standard deviation for the total cost of both activities combined. So the probability distribution for the first step is this, and then for the second step is this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have 0.1, 0.15, 0.4, 0.3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 0.05. So for both activities combined, so then the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to first need to find the expected values in the standard deviation for both x and y. So you're going to do 1 times 0.3 plus 2 times 0.5 plus 3 times 0.2, and then that's 0.3 plus plus 1.0 or 1 plus 0.6, and that's going to equal 1.9. Then you're going to take 1 squared times 0.3, which is 0.3, plus 2 squared times 0.5, so that will be plus 4, plus 3 squared times 0.2, so then that'll be plus 0.6. Oh, so 9 times 0.2, so that's 1.8. And then that's going to be 0.3 plus 4 plus 1.8. That's 6.1 minus 1.9. And then that's going to be sorry about that. This should be the number 2, which is going to make a big difference because I was like, my numbers are not looking correct. So this is 2, and then this is 4. And then so 4.1 minus 1.9 squared is the square root of 0.49. And that is 0.7 is your standard deviation. And so then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to do 1 times 0.1, which is 0.1. And then 2 times 0.15. That is 0.3. And then 3 times 0.2, which is 0.6. Oops. Nope, that's not right. 3 times 0.4. So 0.4 times 3 is 1.2. And then 4 times 0.3 is 1.2. And then plus 5 times 0.05. 5 times 0.05, that's 0.25, plus 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.1, and that's equal to 3.05. And so then you're going to take 1 squared times 0.1 is 0.1 plus 2 squared times 0.15. 4 times 0.15, that's 0.6. And then plus 3 squared times 0.4. So 9 times 0.4 is 3.6. And then 4 squared times 0.3, that's 4.8, plus 5 squared times 0.05, and that's 1.25, plus 4.8 plus 3.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.1, and that is equal to 10.35. And then 10.35 minus, so this is the mean, your 3.05 squared. So that's 10.35 minus 9.3025. And that is 1.0475. And then you find the square root of that number. Actually, I didn't want to circle that. Then you find the square root of that number. So the square root of 1.0475, and that is equal to 1.02 standard deviation. Okay, so I hope that this video helps.